Hi guys, Captain Ben Beecher here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, back in our rig center again today, where this brand new 2023 Harris 250 Solstice is in here to get its final prep before it goes out on the lot. Starting at the back of the boat here, see we have our nice deep 24-inch wide grab handle deep 4-rung ladder, and this one has the 300 horsepower Merc on the back. Coming on in here, see this one does have the safety rails of the fender holders built into them on both sides, and the ski pylon or ski tow bar back here. Sorry. Then you also have speakers in the back here, along with the stereo remote, and then a place to plug in your extension cord to charge the batteries on the boat. Coming into the cockpit here, you can see this is considered the center walk-through dual helm, so two captain's chairs, co-captain's chairs, and then these two loungers in the back with the center walk-through gate here. Okay, storage underneath these loungers, as well as fold-down armrests. You can kind of see some of the new design patterns they've done here in the stitching with the Solstice package. All right, coming up here, you can see the co-captain's chair here. Also reclines, two armrests there. Your speaker and drink holder system right next to you there, and a nice wide door. Over here at the helm, we have the twin Simrad glass dash up here, JL components, and the new Mercury shifter. Then you also have your toggle switches here. Also looking down here, it's got the raised helm with the new Solstice design on the floor there. Moving forward underneath here, we have more storage and a subwoofer in there. In-floor storage, and plenty of seating, cup holders, storage, and USBs all around in the front. Once again, Ben Beecher, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through this brand new 2023 Harris 250 Sol. Thanks. Have a great day.